Good morning. Welcome to the KSES Elementary Newscast.
Today is Tuesday, September 13th, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic of which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today for breakfast is cheese toast with a sausage patty, egg, milk, and juice. Today for lunch is beefy macaroni, green beans, corn nuggets, breadstick, fruit, juice, and milk.
Weather of the day. High temp 88, low of 62, 3% chance of rain, partly cloudy.
Today's announcement. Please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Grades. Please print weekly grade books for each course of keep on an updated electronic copy each week just in case. Newscast team. 5A. Hayden O'Kane, Naomi Hall, Pierce, Tylen Brooks, and Cherish Marshall. Please come to the Collab Lab today at 9:15 for a team meeting. Bring your laptops.
Important dates. September 14th. Mandatory reporting PD during planning periods. LAA Kids deadline, September 21. Fall makeup picture day, October 7th. End of the first quarter, October 10th. No school, teacher work day.
Happy birthday. This week's birthday is Tuesday. Riley Thompson. Nyla Thompson. Wallen and Bryson.
Light bulb learning. Our kindergarten students are starting their day off with lots of productivity. Morning tubs give them practice with literacy activities, fine motor skills, and working together with their classmates. These kinder friends are hard at work.
That's all for today's news. Have a happy Tuesday.